Hi everyone, it's another video on this channel, and this is part of our Learn HTML the Right Way series. So in our last video we discussed about links and navigation. That is how you can add links to your website. So what we really focused on is how you can link to an external website. You can see I'm able to link to my GitHub, so also link to my Twitter from our code. So, but what if you want to have multiple page in your website and you want to link between them all? So how do you achieve that? We've seen how we can do for external links. So let's see how we can achieve that in our code today. So let's just go to our code here. So here is the code. Let's create a page. So I'll create a page for about. So let's say about me.html. So let's just have the basic structure here. So I have let's say about me. So then in the body here, let me just have one h1 and say about me. So save. Then let's come here, let's go back to the browser. So let's just preview that page here, about me.html. so you can see we are on the page. So I'm on about me page now. I should have a link here that when I click the link, it will take me back home. Then when I click another link, it can take me back here. So let's go back to our code to get that one out. So let's go to index. So here after this body here, so let's just have a nav. This is a semantic tag. So and inside there I'm going to have a, so I'll say go to about me. So you can see I just say slash about me.html. so I'm going to say about me. So then let's have another one and say home. That can take us back home. So okay, let me clear this out. So and say index.html. so I'll just put home here. So now let's see what we have in our page. So let's go back to the browser. So let me just go back here. So let's refresh. So you can see up here I'm seeing home and about me. So let's click home, it takes us here. Let's say about me. So you can see it takes us to about me here. So let's go back to our code. And here, so what I'll just do so that we can have the same link on the about. So let's go to about and up here. So let's just paste this code here. So let's paste it here, and let me just have a paragraph here and put some lorem. So let's save and let's preview it in the code. So you can see that we have the link here. So let's go back to home, about. So that is that on how you can link between your pages. So in the next video we'll be discussing about absolute and relative part in creating links within your web pages or external pages. So if you have anything that is unclear to you, shoot in the comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Meet you in another release.